What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, we do a lot on this channel. Alright guys, today I have another product for you to check out. I think this is an awesome gift stocking stuffers. You know Christmas is right around the corner. This is a great stocking stuffer and it's very inexpensive right now as they're on sale, and I think you guys might enjoy this. So for all my hot beverage drinking lovers, so that means the hot chocolate, coffee, hot tea, or mostly coffee, I want to show you these two coffee mugs I got from Tucoco. Tukutu. I don't know. You guys check out how that's spelled out right there. You guys pronounce that. Tukutu sent me out this to check out and review. And I think these are awesome little cups. And this can actually work for kids when they want to drink their hot coffee. I mean, not hot coffee. Unless you give your kids hot coffee. That's up to you. But the hot chocolate I meant their hot chocolate. But these two are very ceramic coffee mugs. They are shaped as a fox and a cat. And they're not just like ink printed on there. They're actually structured as the face of a cat and a fox, guys. These are awesome. My wife saw this one. She's like, babe, I want this. I'm like, all right, let me do the video and then you can have it. It's all yours. But I did want to show you guys this because this is something that is a great gift giver. Especially if you have doing a Secret Santa at work or something. You know, people at the office drink a lot of coffee. Why not a coffee cup? You might have a coworker that loves animals, maybe even a cat lady. There you go. You're all set, right? These are great gift givers. Stocking stuffers. Exactly what I keep saying, and they're great. And since the holidays are around the corner, it's the perfect time to get them. These normally go for $32, but right now they're on sale for $17.99, 18 bucks. On Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. Hopefully by the time you see this and you want to get this, they're still on sale. And on top of that, they also have a clickable coupon, checkout coupon on there as well. I just saw this yesterday, the clickable coupon. So you might want to check this out as well. So you might even get it cheaper than $18, guys. So let's check it out and see what's inside these so you guys can see what the ones look like. So the first one I'm going to take out the cat one. All right. And as you see, it's very well packed, very with styrofoam and everything. And then I'm gonna take it out here, and you see it's very protected. So when they ship this, it's protected, so you don't have to worry about it being broke or anything. As you see, I got it in one piece. So if I take this out, there's nothing else in here but the styrofoam. And this is the cup right here. This is the cat version. Okay, as you see, the nose is sticking now. Imprints for the eyes. Oh, over here. You can even feel the eyes imprint. The ears up here. Look at that, guys. This is not a little cheap mug that you see. Like, if you see something with a cat face, you see it's just ink printed. That's all it is. But this, I mean, yeah, when they do the color of the eyes and the nose and the mouth, yeah, they ink print that, of course, because it has to be some kind of color in there. But the mug is gray with white accent, and the eyes are black, and the nose is pink. The whiskers are white. You can even feel the whiskers on here, guys. That's how good this is. Very well designed cup, guys. And again, it's an awesome stock stuffer, or if you want to call it a gift giver for your Secret Santa. There you guys go. This is awesome. I'm actually gonna keep these mugs for myself. This one's for my wife, and the fox one that I'm gonna show you next is gonna be for me. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one away because I do want to show you what the fox one looks like, because you might not like cats. You might not be a cat person. That's quite all right, guys. It's not everybody's cup of tea, you know. But for the more manly people, a fox would be more to your standing. I didn't see any dog ones because I know a guy would probably want a dog one. I didn't see any dog ones. They have multiple ones. If you just click on the link below, you can see the whole collection they have. They have tons of other ones. But I requested these two because these are two of my favorite. They say I could request all of them if I wanted to, but I'm like, I'm not gonna waste their time sending me all this and I'm not gonna use it. So I just tell them, just send me the two of them and I'll go ahead and make the video on them, and because the ones I'm actually gonna use. So we're gonna open up the fox one up alone. And as you can see, it's packaged the same way with all styrofoam covering. I'm gonna put this to the side. Again, nothing else besides the cup. And look, same thing with the fox. You see the ears, they're out printed. The nose is sticking out. They have the imprint of the eye area. But on this one, the mouth and the actual eye itself is actually ink printed. Everything else is all sticking out, like the groove of the eyelids and everything right here are all grooved out. The ears are sticking out, the nose is popping out, and it's all orange with white accent. And you can see probably closely if you're looking at it, you see the nose right here is sticking out. So there's imprint, but just the eyes is just ink printed. And then if you look, I don't know if you can tell right here on the camera, right here you could probably see that there's an imprint in here. You can see the groove in there. So it is very well designed. I actually like this. Again, if I wasn't keeping this, I would definitely give this to somebody in my family, because I have a lot of coffee drinkers in my family, and this is awesome for them to get. Guys, it's that simple. Again, if you want to get this, they're on sale right now for 18 bucks. I don't know how long that sale is going to last. I'm hoping it's going to last all the way through Christmas, as we're just right around the corner. We're less than a month away from Christmas. And, no, actually just about a couple of days short. If you're watching on the review, it's a day early from 2 days early from Christmas, a month away. So 32 days away. All right, but if you're watching after, then it's less than a month. All right, so here, this is the fox and the cat, guys. These are two great gift stocking stuffers right here that you guys could put in there, and it's very inexpensive. Again, if you want to get one of these two or check out the other collections they have, click on the link down below and you can check them out yourself and see if you want to get them. Simple as that. Guys, that's all I had to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everybody's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.